The third generation of the Audi Q7 sets the benchmark in spaciousness, driving dynamics, comfort, and technology. It proves a versatile companion, equally at home in a packed business schedule, on relaxed weekend getaways, or on long road trips. The same applies to the unmistakable exterior design with its powerful silhouette and expressive digital lighting technology. Available with 5, 6, or 7 seats, the Q7 delivers maximum versatility and everyday usability. Passengers will delight in its spacious interior, including an illuminated panoramic sunroof with switchable transparency. Power comes from a 3.0-liter V6 diesel engine, producing either 299 horsepower or 245 horsepower with mild hybrid plus technology. The GLS is the largest and most luxurious SUV from Mercedes-Benz, offering more of everything: more space, more comfort, and more luxury. Its generous dimensions create an interior that feels open and inviting, with space for up to 7 passengers to travel in first-class comfort. The third-generation Audi Q7 retains its muscular design. Audi's trademark 4 rings, along with the hood, sit noticeably higher, making the SUV's front end appear larger. Confidence and sportiness define the striking front with its large single frame, stylishly contrasted by redesigned, functional air intakes. The new Q7 gains additional width through muscular emphasis on the wheel arches. The digital daytime running lights and the digital matrix LED headlights below increase visibility and, together with the optionally illuminated single frame, make the vehicle uniquely recognizable. The new Q7 exterior makes a further statement with its upswept shoulder line, giving the sporty all-rounder a commanding silhouette. Signature Audi Quattro blisters emerge from the shoulder, tapering into a distinctive D-pillar at the rear. The D-pillar is now more upright overall, resulting in a nearly horizontal roofline and offering more headroom and space inside. The Audi Q7 is offered in different versions depending on the market. The premium advanced line comes standard. The S-line is available as a sporty exterior option. The optional third-generation digital OLED rear lights and a continuous light strip stand out day and night. The light strip visually divides the rear section and spans the full width of the vehicle. In combination with the tailgate, it lends the Q7 a sporty elegance. The raised bumper, with an integrated diffuser and distinctive, matching tailpipes, complete the picture. For the first time, optional automatic doors offer increased comfort when entering and exiting the vehicle. Extensive surround sensors protect against collisions. An obstacle detection system stops the door if it cannot be opened fully. An electric soft-close mechanism ensures the doors shut gently. The power doors can be conveniently opened and closed from multiple control points and remotely via the My Audi app. The now upright Mercedes-Benz star on the bonnet stands as a proud and unmistakable symbol of automotive excellence. It also acts as a graceful homage to the S-Class, where this iconic detail has long embodied tradition, prestige, and understated confidence. In select markets, the Mercedes-Benz star is even illuminated. In China, it lights up when the vehicle is stationary, while in the USA, it also shines while driving, adding a touch of subtle theater to every encounter. Framed by an illuminated chrome surround, 3 horizontal chrome fins, 1 vertical fin, and the shimmering Mercedes-Benz pattern, the larger grille radiates a sense of status and modern luxury. For those who prefer a central star, the AMG line equipment package offers an equally distinctive expression. Also available is an AMG Line Plus. The redesigned front bumper lends the GLS an even more confident and expressive presence. A sleek black panel visually unites the headlamps and radiator grille, creating a harmonious, contemporary face. The headlamps and taillights with their signature star design ensure instant recognition day and night, while subtly emphasizing the model's refined, status-enhancing character. At the rear, a design trim with an integrated Mercedes star links the tail lamps into one flowing element, highlighting the vehicle's impressive width. The new 22-inch AMG wheel in a multi-spoke design in 2 color variants complements the range. In the new Q7, Audi is fully committed to pioneering lighting technology. This increases road safety and enables a wide range of lighting functions. Digital matrix LED headlights with micro LED technology ensure visibility and safety in the dark. The lighting technology in the new Q7 also actively supports drivers on the road. The digital matrix LED headlights, light guidance functions known as the lane light and orientation light, are now even more closely integrated with the assistance systems. The Q7 displays supporting information from the assistance systems directly in the driver's field of view, significantly improving road safety. Both front and rear turn signals are an essential piece of lighting equipment. To augment the dynamic turn signals, Audi is introducing a world-first innovation that joins the digital OLED rear lights and the digital matrix LED headlights in making the roads much safer for pedestrians and cyclists in particular. At night, the advanced turn signal is projected onto the ground in sync with the dynamic signals at the front and rear. It is activated automatically when the low beams are on and the turn signal or the hazard lights are activated. The rear of the Q7 is also designed with visibility and safety in mind. With its third-generation digital OLED rear lights, the Q7 not only offers much more scope for personalization than the first generation, but also alerts other road users to accidents and breakdowns ahead. In critical driving or traffic situations, the digital OLED panels display a special static signature with warning symbols instead of the regular rear light graphics. The projection light in the doors is a new feature that helps to set the scene. With an LED module in the door sills, it projects a solid white rhombus onto the ground beneath the driver's and front passengers' doors and a dashed rhombus beneath the rear doors. The rhombus unfurls when the doors are opened, welcoming the passengers and lighting the path to the vehicle. Combining this feature with the exit warning adds another dimension. If cyclists or cars approach when a passenger is about to exit the Q7, the car projects the rhombus onto the ground next to the door. The new GLS comes with a new digital light generation with micro-pixelated LED and a powerful chip as standard. The high-resolution lighting field is thus increased by around 40%, enabling increased brightness for the high beam and for road projections. At the same time, the light module consumes up to 50% less energy than its predecessor. The dynamic high beam ultra range, with a range of up to 600 meters, can now swivel for optimal illumination. The partial high beam function enhances the detection of poorly lit road users without dazzling others. The interior design continues the geometric integration of the dashboard and doors, underscoring a commitment to precision. Clean lines and clearly defined surfaces create order and focus. Details like the air vents deliberately recede into the background, but their electrically adjustable, dynamic control via the user interface makes them a practical highlight. The cabin appeals with its clean design and offers space for every occasion. Fully focused on its passengers, the Q7 combines these attributes down to the last detail. For the first time, the Q7 is available in 3 seating variants. 5 seats come standard, with 6 or 7 seats available as an option. The second row seats are power adjustable fore and aft, while the seat backs fold in a 65-35 split or tilt forward without folding flat. Comfort entry can be activated via the MMI or buttons in the C-pillar and the trunk. In the 5-seater, the trunk offers up to 806 liters of volume, or up to 2075 liters with the back seats folded down. In the 7-seater, the luggage compartment offers up to 722 liters of volume, or up to 1980 liters. Depending on the seat configuration, Audi optionally offers ventilation and massage functions in the front seats. In the optional Sport Seats Plus, lights below the headrests further underline the quality of the seating in the Q7. They light up when the car is locked or unlocked and are clearly visible from outside. The front doors are optionally illuminated by a light source integrated into the trim. The contour lighting in the dashboard and doors accentuates the width of the interior. Indirect lighting beneath the Audi MMI panoramic display and in the center console creates a floating effect. In addition, the standard dynamic interaction light is an LED light strip that spans the full width of the dashboard and supports interaction between occupants and the vehicle. With a wide range of color and material combinations to choose from for the Q7, customers have plenty of options for personalization. New inlay options include fine grain ash natural, silk beige, lime structure natural, gray brown, and carbon fiber weave with basalt gray accents. The steering wheel also adds a fresh touch with a standard upgrade of the airbag cover in leather and color-matched contrast stitching. The architecture is completed by the standard passenger display and the newly designed electrically adjustable air vents. The new center console is just as rich in features as the rest of the cabin. A slim, black accented strip consolidates the most important controls. Underneath, there are Qi 2.2 charging points at 25 watts each to charge 2 smartphones. Targeted airflow dissipates the heat generated, ensuring optimum charging speeds. Compatible phones are also magnetically secured to prevent slippage. Alternatively, the front seat backrest covers offer wired, USB-C fast charging, with an output of up to 60 watts in the second row and 100 watts in the third row. Cup holders directly in front of the armrest accommodate larger bottles or flasks. The tailgate is electrically powered as standard and can be triggered by a foot gesture. For added convenience, a light projected below the rear bumper indicates the necessary foot position. An optional aluminum rail system integrated into the sides of the trunk allows cargo to be secured with sliding adapters and adjustable anchors, and the cargo net to be positioned horizontally or vertically for maximum flexibility. This setup makes it easy to stow smaller items and frees up space on the trunk floor for larger objects. When the third row of seats is in use, the luggage compartment cover can be stowed under the cargo floor to save space. In the third generation Q7, Audi has placed special emphasis on the large panoramic sunroof. The impressive light flooding into the cabin enhances the airy sense of space across all 3 rows and boosts passenger well-being. A newly developed mechanism allows a slimmer roof structure, providing more headroom in both the front and rear. Optional features include switchable transparency and, for the first time, illumination of the glass roof whose color adapts to the personalized ambient lighting. The roof can be switched from transparent to opaque in 9 segments. A pattern in the glass panels, combined with 78 LEDs, provides for pleasant lighting in the vehicle interior. The adjustable transparency allows for a quick transition, zone by zone, between a light-filled interior and effective glare protection. An integrated wind deflector reduces wind noise when the roof is open. The panoramic sunroof is operated via a button in the roof module or via the MMI. Every GLS now comes with a large panoramic roof as standard. With over 1 square meter of glazing area, it ranks among the largest of its kind in a production SUV, featuring glass panels that span the full width and length of the roof. One section can be raised electrically and slides far over the fixed rear glass panel. New trim elements and additional comfort features significantly enhance the interior of the GLS. The standard MBUX Superscreen brings the digital world into the GLS. 3 12.3-inch displays are located under a large glass surface. The MBUX Zero layer displays the most important information and recommendations in the configurable footer bar. The air vents are now round instead of rectangular and provide visual anchors either side of the imposing MBUX Superscreen. Atmospheric ambient styles are available as background motifs in a separate app, enhancing the unique effect of the MBUX Superscreen. For anyone who appreciates a spatial display, the 3D driver display is available as an option. At the touch of a button, it switches into 3D mode. For front passengers, their standard display enables them to view dynamic content while the vehicle is in motion. When it comes to the steering wheel, Mercedes-Benz has adopted the much-loved rocker and roller control concept. The galvanized metal roller design enhances the tactile, analog user experience. Standard comfort seats with new 3D seat graphics and moccasin stitching combine modern aesthetics with a comfortable seating experience. Electric adjustment of the seat cushion depth is now included as standard. The warm beach brown color combined with black is new to the portfolio. 3 new trim elements expand the possibilities for configuring the Mercedes-Benz GLS to suit individual preferences, including trim elements in dark brown open-pore birchwood and brown open-pore walnut. As a counterpoint, Mercedes-Benz also offers trim elements with the new light-colored aluminum flowing lines. No matter which seat configuration is chosen, passengers can enjoy audio and video streaming on 2 brilliant 11.6-inch Full HD displays, while integrated Full HD cameras open the door to seamless in-car office functions. The long wheelbase provides an exceptional sense of spaciousness, particularly for the second row. All 3 seat rows are fully electrically adjustable, and even the third row provides 2 full-size seats that comfortably accommodate people up to 1.94 meters tall. Passengers in the third row enjoy thoughtful details such as seat heating and their own USB charging ports. Access to the third row is made wonderfully simple thanks to the electric easy entry function. And when more room for luggage or equipment is needed, the third row seats lower seamlessly into the floor at the touch of a button. The second row folds flat, unlocking up to 2,400 liters of versatile load space. To mark the launch of the new Q7, Audi is offering a powerful and highly efficient 3-liter V6 diesel engine in 2 power levels, 220 kilowatts or 299 horsepower with 630 newton meters and 180 kilowatts or 245 horsepower with 500 newton meters of torque. The powertrain combines mild hybrid plus technology with an electric-powered compressor, delivering powerful starts while maintaining high efficiency. The new Q7 delivers outstanding ride comfort and handles any terrain with ease, a striking embodiment of Audi DNA. The optional adaptive air suspension plays a key role here. Paired with all-wheel steering, which significantly improves maneuverability at low speeds, it noticeably increases precision and stability at high speeds. Thanks to the new range of engines, the new GLS models convey a new, more nimble driving experience. Numerous innovations make them more agile from the outset and offer improved pulling power even on country roads. At the same time, the engines are already designed to meet future emission standards and deliver the brand's hallmark, high level of noise and vibration comfort. In the important partial load range, the top-of-the-range GLS 5804 Matic V8 powered model is now also noticeably more agile. The V8 responds more quickly to accelerator inputs, operates more efficiently, and delivers its performance more smoothly than before. Its rated output has increased from 516 to 537 horsepower, and the maximum torque of 750 newton meters is available across a wide range from 2,500 to 4,500 revolutions per minute. With 5 multi-core processors and more than 20 sensors, e-active body control responds predictively to any driving situation and ensures a unique driving experience.